Hello there, welcome to this video. In today's video we will discuss natural language processing, its task and use cases. Before that, do you know? Market size. The NLP market size is expected to grow from $8.71 billion in 2021 to $26.97 billion by 2026, at a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 25.2% during the forecast period. Popular NLP applications, text classification and sentiment analysis, are two of the most popular applications of NLP, with many companies using these techniques to analyze customer feedback and opinions. Language model size. The size of language models in NLP has been rapidly increasing in recent years, with models like GPT-3 having over 175 billion parameters. Feel free to like and share this video in your network, and help others to learn and grow. So, have a look, what we will be taking away from this videos. Firstly, we will look into what is natural language processing, NLP. Secondly, we will deep into task of NLP. Then step down with explain about NLP use cases. Fourthly, NLP tools and approaches. And lastly, we will sum up with conclusion. So without further ado, let me deep you to today's video. What is natural language processing, NLP? Natural language processing, NLP, is a branch of artificial intelligence, AI, concerned with the interaction between computers and humans using natural language. It involves the development of algorithms and models that can analyze, understand, and generate human language, with the goal of enabling computers to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as language translation, text classification, sentiment analysis, and more. Task of NLP. The main tasks of natural language processing, NLP, are: text classification, assigning predefined categories or tags to a given text based on its content. Part of speech, POS, tagging, labeling words in a sentence with their grammatical role, such as noun, verb, adjective, etc. Named entity recognition, NER, identifying and classifying named entities in a text, such as people, organizations, locations, etc. Sentiment analysis, determining the emotion or attitude expressed in a text, such as positive, negative, or neutral. Coreference resolution, identifying when multiple words in a text refer to the same entity. Text generation, automatically creating new text based on a given prompt or input. Machine translation, translating text from one language to another. Text summarization, reducing a lengthy text to its most important information or key points. These are just a few of the many tasks in NLP, and new techniques and applications are constantly being developed. Explain about NLP use cases. Natural language processing, NLP, has a wide range of use cases in various industries. Some of the most common ones are: customer service, NLP can be used to automate customer service inquiries, such as answering frequently asked questions or providing support through chatbots. Marketing, NLP can help analyze customer opinions and feedback about products or services, enabling companies to make better marketing decisions. Healthcare, NLP can assist with medical document analysis and information extraction, allowing healthcare professionals to make more informed diagnoses and treatment plans. Finance, NLP can be used to analyze financial news articles and investor sentiment, helping finance professionals make better investment decisions. Education, NLP can help with automatic grading of student essays, enabling educators to save time and focus on providing feedback. Information retrieval, NLP can help search engines better understand the context of a user's query, resulting in more relevant and accurate search results. Social media, NLP can be used to analyze social media posts and track public opinion on various topics. These are just a few examples of how NLP can be applied in various fields. The technology is constantly evolving, and new use cases are being discovered all the time. NLP tools and approaches. There are several tools and approaches commonly used in natural language processing, NLP, including rule-based systems. This approach uses hand-coded rules and regular expressions to analyze text. It is simple and fast, but may not be able to handle more complex language phenomena. Statistical models. This approach uses statistical methods to analyze text and make predictions. Popular models include n-gram models, hidden Markov models, HMMs, and maximum entropy models. Machine learning. This approach uses algorithms to automatically learn patterns and relationships in text data, without being explicitly programmed with rules. Common machine learning algorithms used in NLP include decision trees, random forests, support vector machines, SVMs, and neural networks. Deep learning. This approach uses deep neural networks, such as convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs, to analyze text data. It has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its ability to handle complex language phenomena and perform well on a wide range of NLP tasks. Pre-trained models. These are pre-trained NLP models that can be fine-tuned for specific tasks, reducing the amount of training data required and improving performance. Examples include BERT, GPT-3, and Elmo. These are some of the most common NLP tools and approaches, and different techniques may be better suited for different tasks and datasets. It is also common to combine multiple approaches to achieve the best results. Conclusion. In conclusion, natural language processing, NLP, is a rapidly growing field within artificial intelligence that is concerned with the interaction between computers and humans using natural language. NLP has a wide range of use cases in various industries, such as customer service, marketing, healthcare, finance, education, and more. There are several tools and approaches commonly used in NLP, including rule-based systems, statistical models, machine learning, deep learning, and pre-trained models. The technology is constantly evolving, and new techniques and applications are being developed all the time, making NLP an exciting and dynamic field with endless possibilities. Hope you find this video valuable. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe this channel. Your single like on this video keeps us motivated to bring more valuable content like this. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.